In this lesson, I will show you how to solve the questions of percent of change. This is the formula. The formula you have to use in order to find out percent of change is equal to amount of change divided by original amount. Suppose if the question is what is percent of change from 6,000 to 8,000? Simply you can say that suppose if I say your salary is 6,000, now your salary is 8,000, right? So you will see or you will say in figures that your salary is increased by $2,000, right? In the figure or in the amount you can calculate quickly. But if someone asks you what is the percent, right? Percent of change. So you have to use the formula. Amount of change means 8,000 was the latest new salary minus old salary. This is the amount of change. The remaining is 2,000 divided by original amount, and the original salary was 6,000. So you can say 33.33%. In terms of percentage, your salary is increased by 33.33%. So this formula you have to keep in mind. Percent of change is equal to amount of change divided by original amount. This is another example. What is the percent of change from 4,000 to 7,000? In this case, if I say suppose your salary was 4,000, now your salary is 7,000. What is the percent of change? Right? So you have to use amount of change. But if I will ask you in the amount or in the figure, you will say 3,000. My salary is increased by 3,000. 7,000 minus 4,000, 3,000. But in percentage, how you will calculate amount of change? So here you can say directly 3,000. That is why I am writing 3,000 directly, because you know that your salary is increased by 3,000. Amount of change, otherwise you have to write down in one step 7,000 minus 4,000. So directly 3,000, original amount was 4,000, write down 4,000 in the denominator, simplify it, these three zeros will cancel out these one, and then there is only 3 divided by 4, which is equal to 0.75%. Multiply by 100, so you will get 75%. In terms of percentage, your salary will increase by 75%. How simple it is. One more question. Now, instead of thousands, I have just mentioned that suppose the price of the banana increased from $70 to 80. 70, it was $70 dozen, now is it $80 dozen. Or you can take the example of anything, right? So what is the percent? In amount, you will say, yes, $10 is increased. The price of bananas are increased by $10. But what is the percentage? In terms of percentage, amount of change. What is the change? $10 is the change. 80 minus 70. And what was the original amount was 70. And then you can zero only 1 by 7, which will equal to 0.14, or multiply by 100, 14% approximately. It is 14.28, but approximately we can say 14%. So this change is 14% in terms of percentage, but $10 in terms of numbers, right? So here I have written some questions for you, but honestly, first of all, you have to solve these questions, then you can tell your answers, because answers are also here. If still you have any confusion, you can write down in comment section. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, Sci My Academy, and thanks for watching.